Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh.
Today we're going to do a celery shot. Celery juice, however you do it. But I know that celery in my fridge, I don't want to always have to prepare it. And this is the way we prepare it.
And you know, celery is actually really good for you because it helps to remove the inflammation in your joints. When, you know, we have too much like acidity foods, then it helps to release that inflammation. So that's a really good reason why we should be actually eating celery more often.
Lots of antioxidants in there as well. And it said acid reflux, which I would have never thought of that. Acid reflux, instead of eating the Tums, go drink some celery juice.
Yeah, and well, that's because of all the enzymes, like I say, that's in there. So anyways, so celery is pretty amazing, and I love it in the freeze-dried form because it's there and it never goes bad. So super
But
nice.
then we don't have to pull out the blender every time we want to have a quick shot. We just have it all blended in our jar already, which we're going to prepare a little juice for each of us. So I take about, I don't know, maybe a couple.
Just a couple of tablespoons, yeah.
About a teaspoon. That's about a tablespoon, yeah.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of powder is like a serving. Sometimes it's like a whole
And
fruit or
when
vegetable.
you powder this is probably, I would say, is that about 1/8 of a can, of a family can, a large can? I think
don't
I
even
powdered,
know how
I
much
probably
it is.
powdered about a half a can. So that's quite a bit of celery, really, if you think about it.
Once you powder it, yeah, for sure. I like to add a little bit of limeade powder just because I feel that lime juice or limeade or citric, some type of citrus fruit, just really brightens up the flavor of the celery.
All right. So this is, we just put it on the shelf and then it's ready. We don't have to keep blending it every single time. So this is great. So this is our little shot.
Sometimes I add a little sea salt to this as well.
All right.
We chink.
Oh, ching ching.
That was good.
That is really good.
So fresh. Awesome.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do that. And also hit the notification bell so you know when we post a brand new video.
And remember to give us a thumbs up and make sure you give this a try.
And we don't have a recipe down below because it's super easy.
It's celery.
Celery, and then you can add your
Lemon or lime.
lemon, lime, or salt if you want to add to it.
Yeah.
So remember, you can do this too.